Welcome everyone to Dr. Garage. Today we have the car King Ranch Ford, and the problem is that the OBD2 port is not working. You can see right there is no light, and when we connect it there is no sound. So if everything is okay, when we connect it below sound. So no sound and no light there, the OBD2 port is not working. So what we're going to do it, first of all we have to check the fuse box right here. You have to remove this decal and this black cap of the fuse box, and then you can see it's not the same fuse of OBD2 located in every King Ranch Ford. In model, it's in different model, it have different location. So probably in 2006 it's right there, this fuse of white 25 ampere, but today it's 2007 model, and what I have found, it's there right there, this fuse. You can see it's when I connect it, it's below the sound of the OBD2. So we're gonna connect it. It's, you can see it's below, you can see right there. So we have to find it, and right there you can see the port is connected. You can see when we connect it, it's below sound and the light is on. So there was a problem in the fuse box, that's why the OB2 port was not working. Thanks for watching the video. Do like the video, subscribe the channel. For any questions you can comment us in the comment box. Thank you.